Hello and welcome to SC Deets Library's new online site. I hope you enjoy it. I just want to give you a brief overview of the sections of the site and start a search. You can start right here in a search bar using Deets Search. You can also go to the research guides, or you can search on one part of our collection as you see in the slider. So this middle section has location information and contact people. We have a new career center at the library and a cafe, so if you can come, it would be fun to see you there. And then in the footer, we have contact information and social media links. So let's get started on a search. I'm going to remind you, you may know this, that we pay for a lot of these resources. And when I try to look at one of them, when I'm off campus, the access to that article is through a proxy that authenticates that you're a current SC student, staff, or faculty. So the login in that yellow band, that will work. But I'm gonna start with an article, and I'm starting with this one because it's got a PDF that I can read right now. And I'm gonna click on the PDF icon, and I think that's when it's gonna ask me for my SC ID. But it looks like it's loading instead. So let's try. Let's try looking at a chapter in an ebook. So I'm looking at table of contents. I think this is called Colony Collapse Disorder. Okay, I'm gonna read the last chapter, and it says login for full access. This is the easy proxy page where we type in our SC ID and last 5 digits of our social security number, or the last 5 of our ID. I'm just gonna pause the share while I type that in. Okay, so now it's loading the article. I'm sorry, the chapter from the ebook, and you can see that there are tools for a full download. This link gets me back to this chapter, so I could open up Notepad or Word and copy this link. I can also download just these pages, this chapter's pages, and there's a certain limit to the number of pages that I can download, but I'm not going to have time to read the whole book, so I'm going to save that last section. Back to the site. If I'm having trouble with any one part of the site, I can go to another one and try again. So I'm going to ProQuest databases. I'm going to look in ProQuest biology journals, and I'm going to do a search on bees there. So it's an advanced search screen. I can limit the publication date to the last 3 years. And I can type in weather. I'm interested in that. So now that I've already logged into EBSCO, I'm getting some results without logging in again. So I'm going to go to this one and get full text. And each database vendor has a different way to allow you to save the PDF to your device and get a full citation. So as you explore the library, you'll just see different ways of doing that. So many different ways to cite. APA is great because it gives you the last name of the author and the publication date right away. And that document link is in the citation I can see. So I'm gonna copy that and paste it in a document. This button will take you back to the home page if you click on that logo, and just feel free to explore the site. There are some writing resources for professional studies. There are sections on the site that you can search in different ways. If you're interested in a particular subject like security, you can search the whole site and it will give you results where you can do searches for the topic that you're interested in. So here's another ProQuest database. So just if you have any suggestions or questions about the site, please feel free to contact me or student members of the library team. As you get to know different databases and vendors, you can go directly to those databases using the icon at the top. Here's Gale databases, and if you get a page like this, it means that I need to do something. So if you are having trouble, just remember it's not always your fault. So I'm going to go to Academic One file. The way you should get access is through a database and with the Easy Proxy. So this is what Gale looks like, and if I want to it says full text, so let's go to the article. And then here are the tools for using this article, citing it, downloading it, and sending it, getting the link. So this is just a brief overview of the site, and I hope you enjoy using it. And I hope you enjoy your research. Bye for now.